This is another Telegram airdrop opportunity just as Notcoin. So once you just come over to this place, all you just have to do is to tap. You keep tapping, keep tapping, keep tapping until you exhaust your power. Okay, so I've already exhausted my power. I just decided to record some part of it and show you in this video how it is being done. Okay, so as you can see, or as you saw it earlier, when people were mining Notcoin, some people were like, are you sure that this thing really works? This thing seems to be fake. Whenever I tell people of airdrops, this is what they do usually say. They will say, how can somebody give you money for free just for doing nothing? Okay, but you just have to know that airdrops are really paying. They are really paying. For example, one of my guy, personally, I saw one of my guy made up to 900,000 from this Notcoin airdrop. He got up to 900 USDT from airdrop. That is almost a million naira. As for myself, I also made money, but I didn't make as much as that because I wasn't even chanced to follow the updates as I was supposed to follow it. So whenever you hear an airdrop, you just have to know that it is an opportunity how you can make money free of charge. Okay, so this particular airdrop right here we are having in this video is called Dotcoin. So Dotcoin is just like Notcoin. You have to mine it on Telegram, and for you to get on board right now, all you just have to do is to check the description section of this video. The first link that you're going to see there, you just click on it. Make sure you have your Telegram app being installed and registered on your phone. So once you click on that link, it's going to redirect you to Telegram, where you are going to click on start and you then click on let's go. It will take you to this place, and once it takes you to this place, all you just have to do is to tap 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 tap. Keep tapping it until this your power that you see right over here gets exhausted. This is your power right here. This is your power right here. So once it gets exhausted, you are done tapping for that particular period of time. All right, now if you want to increase this your power, because your power is just like your save, let me call it your save, because once you register, I guess your maximum power is 2, but once you keep boosting or buying your power, it will start increasing, so that it will be a means whereby even if you are not online, it will be saving it up. Okay, so once you have up to, let's say you have up to 30 power, for example, and then you are not online. Once you are not online, it will keep building, it will keep filling. I guess it takes up to an hour or 30 minutes to fill one power, depending on the level that you are in, because me and mine now is 16, level 16. So it takes some time to build this power. Once you are not online, it will keep accumulating, so that whenever you come online, you are then going to tap 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 and add or accumulate more points. But if your power is only 2 and it fills that 2, it stops filling automatically, and once it stops filling, you are now the one losing. All right, so how do you boost your power now? All you just have to do is to click on this boost. If you click on this boost, you can boost your power by selling out some of your points to purchase this power. I don't know if you understand. So this is what you just have to click on. Once you click on it, for me to purchase one power again now, they are going to minus 32,000 points from this my general point. And then, except that, if you noticed, when I was clicking, when I was tapping on it, you are going to see times 2, times 3, times 1. So if you also want to increase this your click number, so that if you are clicking once, you might be getting times 7 or times 10, you can also boost this when you buy more of this multi tap. Okay, so let me just click on multi tap right now and click on gate. Then once I click on gate, 8,000 points will be deducted from my balance or from these general points. And once it is being deducted, whenever it gets filled again and I'll start tapping on it, you are going to see that it might not end up as times 5, just as you saw it earlier. It was either times 5, but it might be times 6 or times 7. Oh, the network is not so good for me to purchase it right now, but I would have to do that later. Okay, so if you also check under this place at the bottom, you are going to see doubler. So what does this doubler do? This doubler is just like a free accumulator, just like a bonus which they do give every single day. And it's, once you click on it, you stand a chance of doubling your general or your total points. This your total points, you stand a chance of doubling it, but it is not actually 100%, it's 95%, because sometimes you might click on it, sometimes it might double it, sometimes you might also click on it, it will not double it, but it will give you a good number of points depending on the total number of points which you are having right at that moment. Okay, so if we go back right now and click on in right over here, I'll advise everything you can do right here to get these points, make sure you do it. Okay, so if you scroll down, you are going to see something like follow community. Once you register and then follow their community, they are going to give you a total of 50,000 points. And then if you register and happen to start inviting people right at that moment, if you invite up to 5 people and come back here and click this particular place that is written invite 5 friends and get 150,000 points, they are going to give you a total of 150,000 points for inviting up to 5 friends. And then if you invite up to 10 friends and click it, just make sure after inviting up to these 10 friends, make sure you remember to come here and click on these bonuses. So once you do that, you are going to get a total of 300,000 points. Now, for now, I've not achieved this this particular one you see here, which is inviting of 100 friends rather. So once I invite up to 100 friends, I'll be able to claim 3 million points. Okay, so you just have to come over to this place, make sure you do whatever you can do here and get some points. Another one is follow them on X. I've already done this one, but I guess network didn't allow me to, or it didn't enter due to network. I'll have to still do it again. Okay, so immediately I do this one, I'll be getting a total of 10,000 points added to my total points. Okay, so if you want to get your link now, your invitation link, you just have to click on these friends right here, and after clicking on these friends, just follow suit. They are going to give you your invitation link. You can start sharing your invitation link in order to build your points and also build your team. Okay, so this particular space that you see here is still the same thing as that doubler that I showed you when we clicked on the boost. So once you click on it, you are going to see where they will tell you to click, and you stand a chance of doubling your total points. All right, so you stand a chance of doubling your total points. I already have done mine, so it tells me right here, come back tomorrow or continue tapping on the dot. So I cannot do this again for today until it reaches tomorrow, and then I'll still have to try it again. So guys, this is all you have to know about this particular airdrop, this particular Telegram airdrop. There's also another one called tap swap. So if you also need the link, you can also drop a comment for it on the comment section. I'll be dropping the link, but the only thing is that this particular one that I'm talking about, which is tap swap, will be launching, I guess, on the 30th of this month. So I didn't really emphasize much on it. All right, but this one that I'm doing video on right now, this Dotcoin, it has been around for up to 3 months now. so it's not so much that long, so it's still early for you to start it and accumulate some good points before it gets listed. Okay, so you just have to start right now. If you have any questions or you just want to inquire something, you can also drop your comments right on the comments section or on the comment box. And guys, I'll advise, very very important, make sure you give this video a like, and I'll advise you join our social handles, WhatsApp and Telegram, via the links on the description section of this video, so that you're not going to miss out on any of our updates, because we do drop so many updates right on our social handles. Make sure you join us so that you're not going to miss out on any of our updates. So guys, this is it about this airdrop. Make sure you start this airdrop right now, so that you are not going to miss out on this particular boom or this particular opportunity. Make sure you join it right now. Make sure you start tapping and make sure you start accumulating more points. Thank you guys, and see you in my next video.